Hey guys, this is Cat15 here. Here is a Lasko 3733 box fan that I just bought today at my local Big Lots for $16.99. Here's the price tag on the bottom there, $16.99. Yeah. This one did not come with a box. I was this display model, I guess. But it did come with its feet, and I will show that in a minute, and I will definitely do the startup sound this time. Last time I forgot to do the startup sound, but this time I'm gonna do the startup sound. So yeah, as you know, top mounted controls, and typical Lasko 3733 box fan. Yeah, so here's the back of it. As you can see, it has the little tuna can motor in there, that as van collectors call it, and also has the bigger capacitor, that's what makes the startup sound. And it did come, unfortunately, it does have some dents, like right here, right there, and some blemishes there, and the grill, part of the grill's warped there. This is kind of unfortunate, but if you look really close, you can see the dent right there where my finger is. You can see that. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not. You can see that. Hold on, let me fix this real quick. Shoot. There we go. I wanted to fix that real quick so I can take the cord from underneath it, so it doesn't fall over. Alright, so here's high. High. Whoa! Slides back. It's actually a very powerful fan for such a cheap, it's very powerful for such a cheap fan. Sorry, I need to sleep today. I haven't slept in a couple days. Medium. And low. Put that forward again. And off. Time to get the startup sound. Start off with low. Shakes quite a bit too. Medium. And lastly, high. Just shut off before it blows everything over on my desk. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. And please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.